Now take a look at what I have here for you. This is baking soda, bicarbonate of soda. Now today I'm going to show you how you can use the baking soda to make a mask for your skin. I'm going to add ingredient to this baking soda that is going to help you to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. That is going to help to firm the skin. That is going to help to brighten the skin. It's also going to help to clear the pores, those deep pores, exfoliate the skin and get rid of all the dead skin cells from the surface of the skin, leaving your skin just young, fresh and supple looking. So if you're interested in seeing how I use the baking soda to create this wonderful facial mask, then continue watching. Our first ingredient is baking soda, and baking soda is incredible beneficial to the skin. Baking soda helps to treat acne. It is good for pimples, blackheads. Baking soda is also great for skin brightening. Baking soda is good for that wonderful glow, and is also a great ingredient to use to exfoliate the skin to have a really clean and clear skin. Our next ingredient is rose water, and rose water have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness or irritated skin. Rose water also helps to get rid of acne and eczema. It's a cleanser and it helps in removing oil and dirt. It also helps to unclog the pore. Rose water helps to hydrate the skin, penetrate deeply into the skin, leaving your skin just soft, supple and radiant. Our final ingredient is coconut oil, and coconut oil can moisturize dry skin. In addition to its effect on acne, inflammation, applying coconut oil to your skin can help keep your skin hydrated. It also will help to improve the skin complexion. It also will help to plump the skin up, and when used with other ingredients, coconut oil will help to get rid of wrinkles, sagging skin, just leaving your skin soft, supple, hydrated and firm. Now to begin, I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of baking soda. This is 1 and this is 2 tablespoons. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get rid of the lumps. Sometimes the baking soda tend to get lumpy, so I'm just going to clear the lumps. Now remember, baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. In some countries you call it sodium bicarbonate or bicarbonate of soda. This is not baking powder, so do not get it too confused. Once you have all the lumps removed, we're moving on to the next step, and that is to add our rose water. So I'm going to begin by using 1 tablespoon of rose water. And we're going to mix this in a paste. Slowly work it in. Now as you can see, it's a little dry. So I'm going to go back in, and I'm using about 1/2 tablespoon of rose water. Pour this in. Mix again. And this time it is good. So 1.5 tablespoon of rose water, and just blend this baking soda paste together. And once it is creamy, take a look. This is the way it's supposed to be. Now we're ready to add our final ingredient, which is our coconut oil. Now for our coconut oil, I'm going to use a teaspoon of coconut oil. Just make sure to get everything in. If you're using the liquid, use 1.5 teaspoons, and just blend that coconut oil in this baking soda rose water facial mask. Just blend it in. Take your time, and once you're working it in, it's gonna get a little thicker, and this is exactly how you need this baking soda facial mask to be. Thick, creamy, just as I'm showing here. And now your baking soda facial mask is ready, and I'm going to show you how to use this wonderful baking soda facial mask for best result. Now here we have our baking soda facial mask, and make sure to stir this. You want to make sure it is very soft. If you leave it overnight, it might be a little hard, so just warm the treatment up. Now to use your facial mask, you're going to be generous with it. And I like to put it in my hands like this, just as if you're using a scrub, and just rub it and just apply it on the skin. Just press it on. Nice. Be careful around the eyes because the baking soda do have some fine granules in it, okay? This is so amazing, guys. This feels really, 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 really good. And that is how I apply my baking soda facial mask. Just by applying this mask on the skin, I can already feel my skin softening under this facial mask. And I'm putting more at this side, guys. I was gonna do a two-sided thing and I totally forget. I get carried away, so now I'm putting more at this side. And what is happening with this baking soda facial mask is that it is plumping my skin up as we speak. My skin is already feeling soft and supple. Now after applying your baking soda facial mask, just sit with this for about 30 minutes. Okay guys, it has been 15 minutes and I've been sitting with this baking soda facial mask on my skin. Now what is happening to my skin? I'm feeling a cooling sensation. Yes guys, a cooling sensation on my skin. Now take a look at it after 15 minutes. Check my cheeks out. It's like this side of my face is swollen. It is not. That is just the baking soda mask working. And check the other side that I barely apply some to. Now I'm going to sit with this for another 15 minutes and I will be back with the result. After 30 minutes, what I like to do with this facial mask, just before I rinse off, I like to just take my hands and I like to just rub it in the skin like I am exfoliating the skin. So you're basically getting a double whammy from this baking soda facial mask. So just have fun with it. Play with it. Whoa guys, now take a look at this, guys. Look how much lighter my skin is looking. Really, really amazing. All right guys, I'm enjoying this a little too much. All right, I'm gonna rinse off and I will be back with my result. I'm back and take a look at my skin. It's feeling very refreshed, hydrated, soft and supple. Now what you need to do next is to spray your favorite facial toner or facial mist, and after that just apply your favorite facial serum to your skin, and next your favorite moisturizer. Just layer your favorite products on your skin and you are all done. Okay? So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and try your baking soda facial mask. It is really a wonderful, a unique facial mask. So if you have the ingredients, why not give it a try? What do you have to lose? Absolutely nothing. What do you have to gain? A bright, clear, glowing skin. So why not give it a try? Now comment below and let me know what you think about this facial mask. And also, if you have any idea or other ideas of how to use the baking soda on the skin, leave your comment. Thank you all for watching. Share the video if you like it, and if this was your first time watching, don't leave without subscribing. So look below, you're gonna see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.